Hello everyone, this is the next video in the Java Full Stack Developer video series. In this video, we will learn about creating database and table in MySQL. Before we start with the code, let's briefly go over the structure of a data table. In terms of data, a table in MySQL is similar to an Excel spreadsheet. It consists of columns, also known as fields, and rows, also known as records. To work with tables, we need to create a database first. A database is used to store data tables, and when working with database, we must always establish a connection to it. To create a database, we use the following syntax, with database name being your choice. Next, we have the syntax for creating a table. We will delve deeper into data types in the next lessons. Now, let's go through the process of creating a database and a table. Open MySQL Workbench and open a connection. This middle area is where we will write the SQL code. Now we will create a database. Write create database and put the name is Jade database. You can click on the lightning bolt icon to run the script. After create successfully, you can see the green circle icon here. And to check whether the database was created, you can see on the left side panel in the Schema tab. You can right click and refresh all. You can see the Jade database here. Let's continue to create a table. Create table customers and put the field name. The first name is ID with integer data type and the name in varchar. To run the script, you need to make sure the schema you are working on. There are two ways to do so. First one, on the left panel, right click on the database name and choose Set as Default Schema. Now, you can run this code to create a table. The second one, you can use this script before you creating the table. Use database name with the database name is your database name. You can put it in JDB and commands. Now you can click on the lightning bolt icon to run creating the table customer. Okay, you can see here some green circle icon. You can check the table in the database by refresh the left side panel again and expand the tables item, and you can see here your table is customers here, and you can expand it to see the column. Okay, I think that concludes this lesson. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.